Thank you for selecting your use case and getting a first look at Duality. This demo will take you through a short demo scenario, but feel free to skip ahead or click on the Try Now link to provision your own sandbox trial. Good luck.
Hi, I'm Ori at Duality, and today we will be reviewing how financial institutions can solve duplicate trade financing fraud. Let's get started. Each year, banks are exposed to large losses in the trade finance space because there is a lack of collaboration between these institutions. This collaboration would enable them to identify double finance indicators. The lack of efficient access to collective information results in institutions making decisions based on incomplete and fraudulent information. Our goal is to overcome these barriers, such as trust deficiencies, data privacy concerns, and limited collaborators. Duality offers a market-ready, technical solution to address these concerns in order to tackle the global issue of corporate double financing fraud. Let's take a look at the hub query flow before we get started on the demo. We have an example of one of the queries we're shortly going to run. How many high credit limit loan accounts does Michael Jones have? We will be searching for Michael Jones by using his ID, which will be encrypted. The flow will go like this. We have Acme as our investigator who will create and encrypt his query. The query will be sent over to the hub where it will be distributed to the collaborating institutions. The query will run while remaining encrypted, and the results will come in. An example is Blue Rock. Michael Jones has overall 2 high credit limit loan accounts there. The results will be sent back, aggregated, and then decrypted for Acme to see. For this query, the sum of high credit limit loan accounts for Michael Jones is 8. Let's take a look at this query through the UI. As you can see over here, I have my trade financing project all set up and configured. I am currently logged in as Blue Rock, who is our hub. These are the other participants in this collaboration, all of whom are financial institutions. We have our hidden participants mode enabled, meaning that only the hub can see the rest of the participants. If I head on over to Acme as our investigator, I am only aware of myself and Blue Rock in this collaboration. This way, none of the financial institutions can know who is in the collaboration project. Let's get started and run our first session. If I head on over here and select my first query, entity loan account, we can get started. We'll give our session its name and review what the query holds. We will be checking how many high credit limit loan accounts Michael Jones has. We've set our loan credit limit to over $1 million and our loan account open date to the last year. And as our encrypted predicate, we have Michael Jones's ID. Once everything is set up and configured, let's run our session. While that's running, I'd love to head over and show you what the session looked like from Blue Rock. If I look at our session page and insert the session details, I can see that we have our query built over here and we have our encrypted predicate, Michael Jones's entity ID, as encrypted. This way, none of the financial institutions or any of the participants in this collaboration know who the investigator, Acme, was looking for. Our session is completed. Let's head on over to Acme and look at the results. As you can see over here, our session is completed. Let's take a look at our session details. The results are in, and we have overall 8 high credit limit loan accounts for Michael Jones. Let's take a look at the other 2 sessions that I previously run and what they hold. Here, we checked the amount of banks that Michael Jones is affiliated with in this collaboration. So now we know that overall 3 banks are affiliated with Michael Jones. And once we know that, we can take a look at the sum of requests that Michael Jones has requested for his loan. So the sum of all the loans that Michael Jones has requested from all of the financial institutions in this collaboration is $2,300,000. By collaborating with these financial institutions and sharing this data while still remaining private and encrypted, we can gain additional, and this way we can solve duplicate trade financing fraud. The Duality way. By using Duality, we can use privacy-enhancing technologies to link encrypted data and perform analysis without ever decrypting the PII. This helps us gain the ability to cross-check an entity against multiple financial institutions and to accurately identify duplicate trade financing. This will reduce huge losses in the financial sector. Thank you for taking the time for this quick glimpse of some of the ways the financial service industry is using Duality. For a more customized demo experience or to jump straight into our trial,